So, since this group was a mix of students from different areas, I thought that the best way to make them understanding, which is the work we do as a statistician in clinical study, the activity that allows them to participate could be a really very good idea, because it's the best way to understand how you are creating the data set, how you are obtaining, how you are analyzing them, and how you can obtain conclusions.
Nowadays, machine learning is based on having thousands and thousands of data, and usually having labeled data is kind of impossible in some applications. So GANs allow you to generate synthetic data from just training from a little bit number of data, and you can have like 1,000 extra synthetic data to train your machine learning algorithms. GANs have appeared as a really interesting field in machine learning. It is because it came from the idea of the unsupervised learning. You don't need to have labeled data, and then you can have new labeled data for free.
Valencia Smart City is trying to introduce the information and communication technologies in order to try to improve the quality of life of citizens and to try to solve public problems.